Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. In this video, we are going to study lab program 18. Write a function that takes a sentence as an input parameter where each word in the sentence is separated by a space. The function should replace each blank with a hyphen and then return the modified sentence. Now, let us begin with the function definition using the keyword called def. And here I'm going to write the function name called replace one. If you write simply replace, by default it is a built-in function. We have to write here replace one in order to make a user defined function name, and inside of the round bracket I'm going to pass yes as parameter and put colon as per the syntax of function definition. With the indentation I'm going to write the keyword called return yes dot replace. So replace is a built-in function which replaces one blank space. Here you can see I'll write single pair of quotation mark with blank space, then put comma, and in a single pair of quotation mark I'll write hyphen and end the quote, close the bracket. So function definition is over. With alignment of this definition, I'm going to write here one variable called s1 is equal to. I'll ask the user to enter the sentence using input statement. Here in a double quotation mark, I'm going to write enter the sentence. So end the double quotation mark, close the bracket. Now I'll take one more variable called s2 is equal to. I'm going to call this particular function replace one. Here I'm going to write replace one, and we are going to pass s1 as argument. Here I'll write s1. So now value will be stored in s2, so we need to print the value stored in s2. So hence I'm going to use the print statement. Here I'm going to write print, and in a double quotation mark I'm going to write the modified sentence is equal to, end the double quotation mark, put comma, and write s2. Now let us see the output. Here once you execute this program, execution always starts from here. It will ask the user to enter the sentence. Here I'm going to write enter the sentence. For example, here I'm going to write today is a beautiful day. So here this string is stored in s1. Now s2 is equal to replace one of s1. So here control directly jumps to this function definition, and it is going to replace wherever the blank space is there, blank space with hyphen it is going to replace, and then it is going to initialize to s2, and the same will be printed over here. So here it is going to print the modified sentence is equal to. Here it is going to print today, then in place of blank space it is going to put hyphen is. Again there is a blank space, it is going to put hyphen then blank space is there, it is going to put hyphen. Next it is going to print beautiful, and again there is a blank space, it is going to put hyphen, and day will be printed. Now it's time to go for executing this program. Let us execute and check out the result. Now we have come to VS Code. Let us click on new file, and here I'm going to type lab18.py and press enter. Here you can observe we have come to lab18.py file. Let us write the function definition with the keyword def, and here I'm going to write replace one and yes as parameter, put colon and press enter. And now I'm going to fast forward this particular part of the video so that we can save our time. Now it's time to save this particular file by pressing Ctrl S. Now let us execute. Go to run, click on start debugging, click on Python file. Then you can observe here in the terminal, it is going to ask the user to enter the sentence. Here I'm going to enter today is a beautiful day and press enter. Here you can observe the modified sentence is equal to today is a beautiful day. Wherever there is a blank space, it has replaced with the hyphen. I hope you understood this program. If so, please write down in the comment box as understood. And if you want to check out this particular program along with the flowchart, then the link is given in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and we'll see you in the next video.